I'm sure you also, you're also familiar with the perception of you being the man who will shout, "Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead." Do you agree with that assessment? Parang ikaw yung tipong, ito yung misyon, dire-diretso lang. Kung may masagasaan, ay malas na lang.
Eh, most of the time naman, there are times that you really need to make a choice. You know? So, at the end of the day, iisang buhay natin, saan mo gustong ma-remember? Ang feeling ko naman is something that people will remember you by. So, ganun. Kahit nasa, it transcends into many things that I do. Like golf.
Oh, golf.
Kahit na golf. Oh. Pag ang isang shot ay will take me na mag-lay up, safe shot, lay up and then go to the green, or take the long driver, take the long iron, take the fairway wood, and go straight to the green. Pero napakalaki ng chance na mahulog ka sa jabong. Ang sa akin naman
Jabong.
wala namang diferensya itong shot na to sa buhay ko in the long run. Pag ito ay sinafe shot ko at perfect ang pagkagawa ko at na birdie ko pa ito, nobody cares. We'll not talk about this. Pero pag ito, tinira ko ngayon ito ng isang